Here's what you'll need for this variation on bacon and eggs. Some bacon, obviously. I like to get streaky bacon. I find it becomes crispy better than the baked bacon. An egg, a slice of bread, some button mushrooms, some butter, some parsley, just to add a bit of greenery to it, and some little tomatoes. First thing we're going to do is get your bacon into a pan. You don't need any oil or anything because the natural fats will come out of the bacon. With your bacon sizzling away, I'm going to prepare a piece of bread, and what I mean by prepare is get yourself one of these cookie cutters, and you're going to use another one for the egg. So, larger one for the bread, littler one for the egg. You'll see why. And then cut yourself a round piece of bread. When your bacon looks crispy enough, turn it out onto some kitchen roll. Give it a dab. Put it to one side. Now into the pan with all them lovely bacon juices. You're going with your piece of bread. When it's soaked up all your bacon juices, let's go in with a bit of butter and flip it over and fry the other side. With your bacon and bread done, it's time to give your mushrooms and tomatoes a good rinse, and then we're just going to cut the tomatoes in half, and we're going to cut the mushrooms into quarters. Into the same pan, you're going with some veg oil and a knob of butter. You're going to get them melted. Then when your butter's melted into your oil, you're going in with your cookie cutter, the smaller one from earlier. And then around the edges, you're going in with your mushrooms and tomatoes. And you're going to gently cook them on a low heat because we're in no rush. So gently cook them until they cook through. When your mushrooms and tomatoes look like they're just about done, time to crack an egg into a little cookie cutter. When your egg's just about cooked, I'm going to chop up some of your parsley. And then last but not least, break up your crispy bacon and get that introduced. You're just reheating it really. And then you're just about ready to plate up onto a plate with your fried bread from earlier, and then with your egg, and then you're just going round the edge with your mushrooms and tomatoes. And after all that faffing about cooking it, you can demolish it in about a minute.